The E-2 Hawkeye is the Navy's all-weather, carrier-based tactical battle management airborne early warning, command and control aircraft. The E-2 is a twin-engine, 5-crew-member, high-wing turboprop aircraft with a 24-foot diameter radar rotodome attached to the upper fuselage. The Hawkeye provides all-weather airborne early warning, airborne battle management and command and control functions for the Carrier Strike Group and Joint Force Commander. Additional missions include surface surveillance coordination, air interdiction, offensive and defensive counter-air control, close air support coordination, time-critical strike coordination, search and rescue airborne coordination and communications relay. An integral component of the Carrier Strike Group Air Wing, the E-2 uses computerized radar, identification friend or foe, and electronic surveillance sensors to provide early warning, threat analysis against potentially hostile air and surface targets. Beyond the battle group, the Hawkeye's command and control capability makes it a multi-mission platform through its ability to coordinate concurrent missions that may arise during a single flight, to include airborne strike, land force support, rescue operations, managing a reliable communications network between widely dispersed nodes and support for drug interdiction operations. The continuous improvements in early airborne radars by 1956 led to the concept of an airborne early warning in command and control aircraft. The first aircraft to perform this mission was the Grumman E-1 Tracer, a variant of the S-2 tracker anti-submarine aircraft, which saw service from 1954 to 1964. The E-1's successor, the E-2 Hawkeye, was the first carrier-based aircraft designed from the outset for the all-weather airborne early warning and command and control mission. Since replacing the E-1 in 1964, the Hawkeye has been the eyes of the fleet. Since its combat debut during the Vietnam conflict, the E-2 has served the Navy around the world. Hawkeyes directed F-14 Tomcat fighters flying combat air patrol during the two-carrier battle group joint strike against terrorist-related Libyan targets in 1986. In the early 1990s, E-2 seconds provided airborne command and control for successful coalition air operations during the First Arabian Gulf War. Directing both land attack and combat air patrol missions over Iraq, the E-2 Hawkeye provided air control for the shoot-down up to Iraqi MiG-21 aircraft by carrier-based F/A-18 seconds in the early days of the war. Later during the 1990s, E-2 seconds supported operations northern and southern watch over Iraq. E-2 seconds also supported NATO operations over the former Republic of Yugoslavia, including Operation Denny Flight. Recently in Operations Enduring Freedom and Iraqi Freedom, E-2 Hawkeyes provided critical airborne battle management and command and control functions supporting numerous close air support and battlefield interdiction missions. E-2 seconds also have worked extremely effectively with U.S. law enforcement agencies in drug interdictions operating from bases both the United States and several foreign countries.